Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Screen Technicals. My name is Chinmesa and I'm going to show you in this video the best text editor offered by Microsoft, which most of the developers use guys, because it is free and open source for all. And the best thing that it is offered by Microsoft, so there is no threat or any unsecurity for this. Okay, so the name of that text editor or IDE is Visual Studio Code, or in short we can say VS Code. So to download VS Code, just go to your browser and just type VS Code download and click enter. So you can see that it is available for Mac, Linux and Windows. So it is a cross platform. Okay, so just click on this link. Now if you are a Window user, then you can download for Windows. For Linux you can download this, and for Mac you can download this. So as I am using Windows 10, so I will just click here. So it will start automatically guys. You can see thanks for downloading VS Code for Windows. Okay, so you can see the download has been started. It is just 61.1 MB. Okay, so let it download. And after that we will see that how to set up it and what are the settings that we required for writing HTML and CSS. So guys, after downloading, go to your download folder and you can see VS Code set up here. Double click over it. Click on this OK. I accept. Click on next. Okay, choose the folder or the location where you want to set up it, and I will choose the location to drive E and just click OK, and I will just click on next. Okay, I will click on this, don't create a starter menu, and I will just click on next, and ensure that guys that you are checking this all. Okay, we have to check it all. Okay, and after that click on next and just click on install. It will start installing VS Code to your PC. So in the meanwhile, we'll go to our E drive and we'll create a folder, and I will write here HTML, just it. So now open this folder which we have created and right click over here. Now you can see this open with VS Code. Just click on here. So just cross it out here. We do not have to do nothing with that. Okay, now you can see this, we have this HTML folder here. Just click on this. It will to create a new file. I will name index.html because we are creating a HTML file. So guys, you can see that the file has been created successfully, and just if I will write here HTML, then you can see three pop-ups. Okay, it is a suggestion. We have to click on this HTML file because it is the latest version of HTML. Just click on this. You can see it is autocomplete, and now we have to download some extensions. Go to your extensions. Okay, this is the extension icon. Just click on here, and now just search for live server. Okay guys, you can see this is the live server. I've already downloaded it. Okay, so you can see an install button here. Just click on that install, and it will start the installation. Okay, and it will be automatically installed to your PC. Just shade guys, this is the thing which we have to do, and you can download another thing, that is HTML CSS support. Just install this also because it will help us, okay, in future. So thank you for watching this video guys, and I hope that this video is very much helpful for you.